Bosco Bakashaba omuhezi w'omuduumizi wa polisi y'ekyanga kya Rwizi najangwa ekigendererwa kyo kwiha abakazi omu barakisi n'okwenda ngu bagaruke omu maka gaabo okukora eby'entunguka nk'okugurya omuranga gwa President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni.
One, the transfers. You'll be transferred from here to Masindi or from here to another district. Are you going to leave your woman here in the barracks? Others will start coming to me, you see a Afande, you see. Obviously I'm seeing, but I will not see that day.
It is good to have that record, so record the next.
Amakuru aga gagambirwa ha mukoro gw'okujweka abapolisi ba Mbarara abonjirwe enyota aha Star Gardens omu rurembo orwa Mbarara. Okurugirira har OC station wa Mbarara birungi Sakina abapolisi 24 bakuzibwe okuruga hidara lya Koporo okuza har Sergeant, Staff Sergeant, Assistant Inspector of Police na Inspector of Police.
We have police officers who are going to be decorated from Mbarara South, that is Mbarara North, then Mbarara District, then some officers from Rwizi Region, and then CPS Mbarara.
We need to appreciate the effort you have put in and don't give up now, because you may think now that I've got the ranks, it is time to relax. No.
Robert Kachebezi meya wa Mbarara okikira ha mukoro ogu asimire gavumenti ahabo kunyweza byo kwerinda omu ihanga.
There is nobody who is scared. Who is scared? You see. Mbwenu ntwenda kubasima okukwatiraho gavumenti hamwe na nitumuka tukwatiraho nk'abantu umukureba mwanyeza security yihanga.
Abonjirwe enyota basimire mukuru wa polisi okubijwa ahabo kuba bingi babire bakozere kumara emyaka erikurenga 10 batakongerwa ganyota yona.
It was like breaking news. Some of us had lost hope. Me talking, I spent like 12 years on this rank as a State Inspector of Police, and I was wondering really, God has forgotten me? I was really wondering really, what is happening? The record is good. What is happening? I'm performing well. I did some courses, and as you see those officers, they did a lot of courses.
Sergeant, so hati nafuna AIP Assistant Inspector of Police. Nashemerwa mnonga omutima gwanje kushemerirwe.
Gasha kwa Fred Tulyakira Kabango.